I'd like to take you through our new insulated bakeware carrier. This bakeware carrier is made of 100% recycled material on the exterior fabric. What's great about this product is it keeps food hot and cold for hours. The best way to use it is to unzip and place your bakeware inside. This works with not only OXO bakeware, but other bakeware as well, and it could be glass or metal or any material of that choice. We have this great aluminum fabric that's really easy to wipe clean, and there's foam insulation inside also to help with keeping food hot and cold. You could also fit in here a hot and cold pack if you so wish to put one in. Then you will zip the bottom, and then we also have this wonderful pocket right here to take things on the go. I recently went on a potluck and I made a mac and cheese and put this inside and then took this with me with some paper plates and some napkins. You can put your serving spoon in here, and then you're safe to transport it by car or by walking or any which way you travel. And this product also comes, besides in the jam color, it also comes in oat. And this is our new insulated bakeware carrier. Thank you.